In this meditation, you'll explore techniques to enhance your body's innate healing powers. By dedicating just 2 minutes to focus on relaxation and intention, you will activate your body's self-healing mechanisms, allowing you to recover more efficiently and promote overall well-being. To begin your meditation effectively, choose a tranquil setting where distractions are minimal. Whether you prefer sitting or lying down, ensure your posture is comfortable. This preparation allows your body and mind to transition into a relaxed state, creating the perfect environment to receive healing energies. Deep breathing is a powerful relaxation technique that activates your body's natural calming response. Inhale through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with air, and then pause to hold that breath. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing tension. Repeat this process to further deepen your relaxation and prepare for healing. Visualizing a warm, healing light is a powerful technique for promoting relaxation and recovery. As you envision this light enveloping you, picture it flowing into every cell, releasing built-up tension and alleviating pain. This mental imagery fosters a sense of comfort and encourages your body to heal naturally. Affirmations play a crucial role in shaping our mindset and promoting healing. By repeating positive statements like "I am healthy, whole, and free," you reinforce the belief in your body's natural ability to heal. This practice cultivates self-confidence and enhances your overall well-being, empowering your healing journey. By concentrating on specific areas in your body requiring healing, you enhance your connection to your inner strength. Visualizing the healing light growing brighter in these spots helps you absorb its energy, promoting recovery. This focused attention allows you to harness your body's inherent healing capabilities more effectively. As you conclude the meditation, take several deep breaths to ground yourself. Gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings, moving your fingers and toes to reconnect with your body. Open your eyes, and carry the healing energy you've cultivated, integrating it into your daily activities for lasting benefit.